Hello everybody, I'm Adrian, and here I got my 2015 C7 that I've had since new, when it had 7 miles. It now has 69,000 miles. So I'm going to talk about a problem that I just recently had and what the fix was. It has been a great car and I've done all the maintenance to it. So I've been keeping up with the maintenance, but recently it had a problem. So the fan, so when it was running, I noticed the AC wasn't working, and then I noticed the fan was staying at full wide open, so it was blowing really loud. Rev match wasn't working. The oil temperature was the oil pressure was to the max. It was like 55, so it was defaulted to maximum oil pressure. Several different codes in the computer. So as a default, since it doesn't know the temperature, it's leaving the fan wide open. But it was just strange on the logic though, with the oil, with the fan, rev match not working, AC not working. And the problem was the coolant temp sensor. And I went ahead and did the harness as well, so you can see here, because it could have been a problem with the terminals. I had checked the resistance showed that it was in spec, but I still wanted to go ahead and put a new sensor in there. It might have been a problem of both, the sensor, the harness. Gonna start up the car. So the issue happened about 1,000 miles ago, so it's been fixed. So I had made this video. I wanted to be sure that it was fixed and all. So yeah, the oil pressure, it's electronically controlled, and it was defaulted to the max, so it was reading about 55, close to 60. The coolant was reading 0, so I guess it was just the logic. When it couldn't detect the engine temperature, it assumed that it was better to operate at maximum oil pressure. Yeah, rev match wouldn't work, AC wouldn't work. So just several different problems with it. But yeah, this car has been awesome though. I mean, 69,000 miles, and that cost me like $100 from the dealership, the sensor, the wire, and then I topped off the coolant. I lost a little bit of coolant when I did that. I was just pretty quick, removed the sensor out and tried not to lose as much coolant. And another interesting thing though, for me to clear the codes, I had to disconnect the battery. The scan tool, for my scan tool wouldn't clear it, maybe because it wasn't the factory scan tool. But yeah, it's been such a great car, 2015, and that was just a $100 problem. But you know, paying at the dealership, they would have charged me diagnostic fees, and the local dealership charges $240 an hour, so that could have been several $100s just in diagnostics. So, but yeah, in case you ever see those kinds of issues, at least that's what happened to be on my case, just the coolant temp sensor and with the harness.